What does a kitty say? Very good. What does a dog say? Very good. What does a bunny say? Hop, hop. Very good. What does a bee say? Very good. What does a bear say? Roar. Very good. What does a puppy say? Very good. What does an owl say? Very good. You're so smart. What else do you know? What does a mama say?
Mama.
What does a dada say?
Mama.
What does a baby say? You're so cute. I love you so much. Okay, where's your nose? Those are your toes. That rhymes with nose. Can I have a kiss? Can you blow me kisses? I love you. Thank you. Good kisses. Your kisses are my favorite in the whole wide world. Can you say bye-bye? Bye. Can you say hi?
Hi.
Hi. You're so cute. Did you know that I love you so much? Are you kissing your baby? Okay. Say bye-bye. This has been an adorable Squinty production. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.